Oh, train!
Watch out!
What train?
I'm coming for you, buddy.
Space Art!
What I do?
I wasn't even in front of the train. I was very much on the side. Wait! I did it! It's space and R, right? It's space and R. I was pressing space and R. I swear.
Okay, watch out.
Yeah, okay.
Train's coming.
We're going the wrong way.
It's
Wrong way. It's this way.
Yeah.
Wait, it's R. It's space and R, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was pressing space and R. You just...
Period, Leon, period.
I was.
Oh.
Thank you. Yeah, that's the whole point of that axe on him.
Train soon.
Train soon, okay. Okay.
Train!
Space R. Space R.
Space R!
Space R! Space R! I swear I'm pressing space R! I swear I'm pressing it! I swear! Okay, wait, but Leon getting run over by a train is never not funny.
Okay.
Nice.
Watch out. There's a train coming. There's a train. There's a train coming now.
Okay, space and R. Space R. Okay, I'm supposed to hold it. Okay.
She did it.
I finally survived the train event. Finally. I bet there's more than one train though.
Yeah, watch out.